of these things. I Chihuahua. I'm out! Enough! Just a little off the top, please. Prick me, do I not bleed?
Oh, pardon me.
Mama!
Oh, not that.
No. No.
Oh, do you know anyone famous? Put it back. Yeah, just put it back. I'm getting post-traumatic stress disorder.
Stop!
I'm gonna go play a couple of your other iPhone games if that's okay. Ow! Ouch! Now just put it back. Oh, God! Can you hold the phone steady? I'm gonna snooze for a while. That's not good.
Ow! Are you taking it?
Thank you, darling. Oh, refreshingly sweet. Thanks, sunshine. I'm being liquidated. Hey, did you see my frog somewhere around here? Might want to put that back. I don't get it. Read the directions.
Oh, God!
I live in a box. Open the window! Steamboat Willie. What's wrong with you?
Ooh!
Siri, where's the nearest hospital? Oh, my biscuits are burning.
Oh!
Boring.
I'm burning! Oh, God!
You're a bad person. No, not that.
Oh! Oh, my God! Oh, God!
Care to dance? Yeah, that'll work.
Stop!
Nothing sacred.
Tell me directions! Give it up!
I don't get it. Nothing is safe.
Oh! Ow! No!
There's nothing sacred.
No.
Buddy, angry. Think of your karma. Else.
Time out!
This is rather peaceful. I can't feel anything. You're a terrible person. Make it stop.
No.
No.
Oh! I feel nothing!
I'm
You're too
melting.
stabby!
Do you know how to apply a tourniquet? I'm in a world of pain. This is bad. That's not good.
Ow!
Ew, it also smells bad.
Oh, the pain! No.
Excellent choice. That'll work. congratulations! I don't get it.
Buddy's buddy now.
Nothing is safe for that. That's not right. Put that back. Yeah, just put it back.
Whoa!
Oops.
Oh my god!
No, not that.
Yow!
Oh, not that. Not that. That's my world. Oh, the phone's steady. I'm gonna take a bit of a nap. Can you turn me to